welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make senbei, rice crackers, in 5 minutes. I used to make this when I was small. It's quite easy yet delicious, very tasty and crunchy, just like the rice crackers. So you may want it to try. However, microwave cooks from inside. So when you see the surface brown, then usually inside is black. So you wanted to be careful and test how many minutes you want it to cook with your microwave because the heat depends on the microwave. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Using soy sauce is the best, but you can use furikake or any seasonings of your choice. Mix well. Divide it into 6. Form them into small balls using plastic wrap. Place them in between parchment paper. Flatten with your hands. Then place the parchment paper uncovered on a microwavable plate. Microwave on medium for 2.5 minutes. Flip them over, they are very hot, so be careful. Then microwave on medium for another 2 to 2.5 minutes. Check and microwave another 30 seconds if needed. Leave to cool, they become crisp, and now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Mama, どういたしまして。
朝日キラキラアンパンマンの中からラーメン天使。あ、はい、
すごい早い。
もニコニコジャムおじさん。
すごい。
すごい。いいです。はい、じゃあ行きます。夜空に打ち上げ花火マン。ようは違います。次はてんてんどんどん。
早い
ね。寝た時出てくる。ヒリヒリ辛いぞとんがらし。はい、正解です。